Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a rich creamy red sauce pasta with chicken, perfectly balanced with flavors, spice and creamy texture. So let's get started. First, blend fresh tomatoes into a smooth puree. Look at how perfectly this has blended. Now in a pan, heat some oil. For my pasta, I have taken capsicum, carrots and onions. You can add any vegetables of your choice. And now start by adding the onions to the pan. Cook them on high heat until they turn pink. But don't overcook them. Then add the rest of the veggies and saute well while keeping them crunchy. For the chicken, I have sliced it into thin pieces. Now for marination, we'll add curd, ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, soy sauce, red chili powder, oregano, chili flakes, salt and give it a good mix and let it rest. Now add the tomato puree to the veggies and cook it well. I have used wheat pasta to make this dish a little healthier. Wash it well before cooking. Add a little milk for creaminess. Now season with chili flakes, oregano, green chili paste and Maggi masala. Mix everything well. Add salt to taste. Add the pasta and give it a good mix. Add water and cover it and let it cook. Meanwhile, heat some oil in another pan and fry the marinated chicken until golden and perfectly cooked. I bet this is the easiest pasta recipe you'll ever come across, and you know the best part? You don't need to cook the pasta separately, just add it directly to the veggies and let it cook together. This not only saves extra efforts but also makes the pasta absorb all the flavors, making it more delicious. No extra steps, no extra work, just one pot, rich flavors and a super creamy, flavorful pasta. Right? Okay, so now the pasta is now cooked. At this stage, add fresh cream and the remaining of milk for extra richness. I have also transferred everything to a bigger pan since there wasn't enough space. Now add the fried chicken and give it a final mix. Just look at how creamy and delicious the pasta has turned out. And there you have it, a creamy red sauce pasta with juicy flavorful chicken. It's rich, spicy and absolutely irresistible. Try this at home. Let me know how it turns out. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Cook with Ariba for more amazing recipes. See you next time. Thank you for watching.